Hey everyone, ready to learn how to earn money by learning programming? Let's dive in. Laptop computer. First off, programming skills are in high demand in today's digital age. Globe with Meridians, whether it's web development, data science, or app creation, the opportunities are endless. For beginners, start with beginner-friendly languages like Python. Snake online platforms like Codecademy and Coursera offer great resources to get you started. And remember, practice makes perfect. Rock it! Once you've got the hang of it, it's time to monetize your skills. Moneybag freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are perfect for finding small projects. And guess what? Your income can grow over time. Building a strong portfolio is key. Books showcase your personal projects, GitHub repositories, and highlight your skills. Employers love that. Specializing in a particular area is important too. Direct hit, whether it's web development or data science, becoming an expert opens up even more opportunities. Keep learning and stay updated. Now, let's talk passive income. Money with Wings create and sell digital products, courses, or apps. The potential for recurring income is huge. Networking is crucial. Handshake, join forums, attend meetups, and be part of online communities. The programming community is supportive and full of opportunities. To wrap it up, start your programming journey today and explore the endless possibilities. Glowing star, subscribe for more content and check out the links below for relevant resources. Happy coding! Laptop computer sparkles. Remember, adapt this monologue to your personal style and make it engaging with your own energy and enthusiasm. Good luck with your TikTok video. Movie camera.